Long-lasting, replace your filter every 3 months or 10,000 gallons. Water that is high in sediment and particulate will shorten the service life of the filter. Replacing often helps extend the life of pipes and water-using appliances. Compatible with FXHTC, GXWH40L, GXWH35F, GNWH38S, GXWH30C, GNQH38S, W10PR, W10BC, W15PR, WRC25HD, WHKF-WHPCBB, WHKF-GD25BB, RFC-BB, HD950A, HD950, WHHD200C, Atrix CTO2HD10, W50, W5CPHD, Atrix CTO2HD10, W50, W5CPHD, other 10 by 4.5 filters. Superior filtration reduces particles larger than 25 microns in diameter at a flow rate of 3 GPM to reduce sediment, rust, scale, dirt, silt, sand and even extra fine sand, plus aesthetic chlorine taste and odor. Certified materials, Culligan uses quality, food-grade materials that are safe for you and your family. Certified by IAMPO R&T against NSF/ANSI Standard 42 for material requirements only. Buy with confidence. For over 85 years, Culligan knows every drop of water flowing through your home is important. Should you have any questions regarding the use of your product, you'll enjoy knowledgeable and responsive customer service support. Top reviews from the United States. A good water filter for the house would not buy any other.